Relax. Man, if you're preaching good stuff, I want to save it.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Scott's telling us about.
If we have two batteries here, and this one's 12 volts and this one's 12 volts, we parallel them. I mean, we series them, and we got 24 volts going in here. What does that do to the amps? It drops it. Boom. We come out of here. What do? It's 240 volt. So 240 instead of 120. What does that do again? Drops the amps again. We come out of here with 16 amps. To run these two alternators, and what do we do again? We drop the voltage again. We come over here with 24 volts, and what do? We drop the voltage again.
And we're back. And we're back at the 12-volt batteries.
Yes,
like they've never been used at all.
Absolutely. You
like
see how that works?
Never been
now,
used.
let me explain this. This is the principle. This is the principle that nobody understands. Drop voltage, drop voltage, drop voltage, drop voltage, drop voltage, drop voltage, drop voltage. Every time you go to the next loop, you're dropping voltage. That's how you're increasing and getting the gained power from it.
Right.
You see how that works? You're dropping voltage, 24. You're going here, 240. You're going back to 16 amps here at 240. And then you're running these.
Yeah.
And so this is every time you're going, you're dropping it again. You're dropping it again. You're dropping it again. Every part of the loop, you drop the voltage that by that. You gain the voltage, but you drop the amperage. You're dropping amperage, dropping amperage, dropping amperage, dropping amperage, and that's how you get that circuit, because you're gaining the voltage.
You're gaining voltage and dropping amperage to continue.
And so you can hook up something mechanical to this and run a pump. You could have 24 volts or 12 volts running something over here.
Lights.
You got 240 volts alternating current running something over here, and you got this motor runing everything.
Right.
Could even put a fan on that motor.
Yeah, well, there is. It's totally enclosed fan cooled. It's sitting right over there on the back of that deal. Right here is this. The alternators is where you want to have all the ass, because these alternators can charge it up in real time. You saw we went from 60 volts to 6 in an hour. It charges it up in real time. You want to have all the weight on these puppies. These are easily replaceable, easily findable. You can get them anywhere at any time, and you stick them together and you're done. Have a nice day. You drop current at every location, because that's what kills you. See, you can have all the truck drivers. They can haul one pound. They can haul 1,000 million pounds. As long as you got voltage deadheading at the end of the wire with a truck driver waiting to load and drop off the load, you can do that each time here, because all he's having to haul is less each time he goes through the part of the loop. Exactly. You see how that works?
Yeah.
You can play with this. You can screw with this all day long, and you can get it down to the minute nothingness.
Right.
You get it down to nothing.
Right.
You can just make the loop bigger and make it higher voltage, and then you just bring the amps down by that much.
Right.
In proportion to it.
Right. And you can do all of that by the controller. Because I'm gonna tell you,
that doesn't have a controller there.
I'm just telling you, with remote control vehicles, I've seen it done where, like I said, I can run an hour at 60 miles an hour. What if I want to run 30? So if I'm running 30,
you go 2 hours.
Then I get 2 hours.
Absolutely.
If I'm running 25, you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But look, if I wanted to go more, if I wanted to go more than an hour, then what do I have to do?
At what speed?
At 60 miles an hour.
You just have another battery pack and have it charging.
I need another source of energy.
Yeah.
Stored.
Yeah.
Waiting to be used.
Yeah.
Plain and simple.
He uses that analogy with the horse, 2 horses, one pulling the horse in the cart and another horse here. And what he's saying is that it drains the